How to install Microsoft Outlook on iPhone 12. So if you want to use the Microsoft Outlook on your iPhone, just like Google Docs, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if you don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to install Microsoft Outlook on iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max, just all iPhone 12 series, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the App Store on your iPhone, then hang on for the App Store to pay, then hang on for the App Store to open. Once it opens, click on the spotlight search at the bottom right, then come here and search for Microsoft Outlook. Then click on it from the search result. Hang on, then once you see Microsoft Outlook, click on it. Then you have a bigger picture of the Microsoft Outlook and the rating, age, then the chart number. Now go ahead and click on the get button. Once you hit the get button, hang on. In some cases, you may be prompted to click on the side button twice or tap install from the pop. Once you click on the install button, you may be prompted to type in your Apple account password. Then go ahead and type in your Apple account password. Once you type in your Apple account password, go ahead and click on sign in. And then hang on. Once the App Store can confirm your Apple account password, then you'll be sent to the App Store and should feel a chime alongside aptics. Then you should see the Microsoft Outlook app installing on your iPhone. So this depends on the strength of your network. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you may want to change to mobile data, or if you're using mobile data, you may want to change to Wi-Fi to download and install the Microsoft Outlook on your iPhone 12. Then hang on, and once the Microsoft Outlook is downloaded and installed successfully, you will be able to open the application on your iPhone. Then you either need to create an account or sign into your existing account. Then go ahead and click on open on the App Store, or go back to the app screen, locate the Microsoft Outlook app and then click on it. Once you hit it, just hang on while the Microsoft Outlook app opens. Then you should see welcome to Outlook. Go ahead and click on add account or create new account. So that is basically how to install Microsoft Outlook on iPhone 12. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.